Mastering the using definite articles with ordinal numbers. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our video series on the fundamentals of English grammar. Today, we're diving deep into the world of articles, specifically the definite article, the. In this video, we'll focus on the use of the with ordinal numbers. Remember, an ordinal number is a number that tells us the position of something in a list, like first, second, third, and so on. Buckle up, and let's get started. First off, let's make sure we understand what ordinal numbers are. These are the words we use to talk about the position or order of things. Words like first, second, third, fourth, and so on are ordinal numbers. If you're talking about your position in a queue, the placement of runners in a race, or the order of books on a shelf, you're using ordinal numbers. Now that we've refreshed our understanding of ordinal numbers, let's move on to how we use the with these numbers. In English, we typically use the before an ordinal number when we are referring to a specific item in a sequence. It's important to remember that the plus ordinal number specifies a unique position or item. For example, we say the first time, not a first time, because there can only be one first time. Here are a few more examples. I live on the 10th floor. This is the second time I've visited this restaurant. He was the third person to arrive at the party. Each of these examples uses the with an ordinal number to specify a unique position or instance. While the is usually used with ordinal numbers, there are some exceptions to this rule. For instance, when we're talking about something in a general sense, we may drop the. Let's look at a couple of examples. Second thoughts are always wiser. She makes a wish every 11th day of the month. In these cases, we're talking about second thoughts and 11th day in a more general sense, not referring to a specific instance. And that's a wrap on using the with ordinal numbers. Remember, the plus ordinal number typically indicates a unique position or item in a sequence, and there are some exceptions when we're referring to things in a general way. Practice using the with ordinal numbers in your daily conversations to master this concept. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has been helpful in enhancing your understanding of the English language. Stay tuned for more grammar lessons, and keep practicing.